Hello everyone, I wanted to do a short video here and just introduce, or not introduce, but kind of highlight this idea of the Dagesh in an R2 of a lot of PL forms. It also can happen in HithPL, where we have that distinctive Dagesh in the boxes. And yet sometimes, I think what you have maybe seen in the answer key and on the drill sheets is when the Dagesh has a vocal schwa in that R2 position. So when we add a suffix and then the thematic vowel underneath the second root letter reduces to the vocal schwa, sometimes you're finding that distinctive PL Dagesh Forte is gone. And so I wanted to just show this to you. Those of you that have had Dr. Fuller's system may not remember this because it's in a footnote in Chapter 4. And then those of you that have not had Dr. Fuller's system, you maybe have heard this in a different way, or maybe you were just aware of it in general. But in Chapter 4, yes, I've gone all the way back to Chapter 4 here in Dr. Fuller's book. I'm going to scroll down to this section right here. Where'd it go? Here, number 3. Let me see if I can get my marker up here. So section number 3. Dagesh Forte may occur in any letter except the gutturals. Okay, now that's like, okay, fair enough. That makes sense to us. I don't need to go much further than that, except that Dr. Fuller puts this footnote in right here. So let me close that and scroll to the footnote. And here it is. Let me make it a little bit bigger for you. Here's the footnote. Certain letters with a vocal schwa may omit the Dagesh Forte. And he gives you here the example of Vayehi, where sometimes the yod, which is the Y here of the SQeNMLeVy, will oftentimes omit the Dagesh Forte when underneath, when there's a vocal schwa underneath it. The letters that do this are what we call SQeNMLeVy letters. Okay, the S of SQeNMLeVy is all sibilants, so you'll see the ones that start with S, so Samik, Sade, Sin, Sheen, those letters, and then the liquid letters, and Kof, Vav, and Yod. So you can see those there. We remember those with this idea, with this word SQeNMLeVy is how we remember those.